This AI video generator can take a simple prompt like this and turn it into a publish-ready video like this. Transform your day before it even begins with these 5 life-changing morning habits in under 5 minutes. There is no need to record or edit your own footage and voiceover, and you can create up to 4 videos a week for free. That's why in today's tutorial, we are going to show you exactly how anyone can take a simple idea and use that to create a super high-quality video in a minute. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. Start by signing up for a free account on ai.invideo.io, and this will bring you directly to the AI tool. Here we are going to be prompting the AI to create a YouTube short around healthy morning habits to showcase how the tool works. Now, just like ChatGPT and Midjourney, the more detailed your prompt is, the better your results will turn out to be. A super helpful feature in this tool is that it allows you to reference any blog post or article from the web for creating the script. So you can share the link for an article from which you want the AI to pick information, and it will read through the entire post and pick out relevant info. Now, keeping that in mind, here is how we'll write the prompt for this video. Create a video for YouTube Shorts on 5 morning habits that will change your life. Keep the duration under 45 seconds. Start the video by introducing the topic and use the title as the intro. Then give the 5 habits and illustrate each with a relevant stock clip. Keep the language super simple and easy to understand. Conclude the video by asking viewers which habit do they want to work on first. Use an energetic American female for the voiceover. Take points from this article. Now, as you can see, I have included a few key details in the prompt that I'd also recommend for you to use while you are writing yours. The first is the platform, is YouTube Shorts. Second is the topic of the video in as much detail as you can. The third is the duration. The fourth is the tone of voice and the style of scripting. We want the language to be super simple, for instance. And this is super important because the AI will generate your script according to this prompt. The next is the tonality of the voiceover. We want it to be an energetic American female. Again, this is super important because Invideo has a huge library of realistic sounding AI voices that it will pick on the basis of your script. So make sure you add this in your prompt. And finally, any links or additional points you wanted to consider. Like we have given it links for this article. Now we will also share this exact prompt along with a few other examples in the description so that you can tweak the minute details and use them to generate your own videos. Now, when you click on generate, Invideo AI will ask you for a few more details, such as the target audience you want and the look and feel you want for your video based on your prompt. And once you click on generate after choosing those, Invideo will create your first draft in just a couple of minutes. Now, since we've already given it a pretty detailed prompt, there shouldn't be a lot of changes. But like with any AI tool, the results might not always be 100% accurate, and we might need to make a few minor adjustments. But before we do, let me show you the first couple of seconds of the video without any changes. Transform your day before it even begins with these 5 life-changing morning habits. First, rise with the sun. Waking up an hour earlier can reduce depression by 23%. Second, move your body. A quick jog or yoga stretch can kickstart your energy. Third, hydrate. A glass of water first thing revs up your metabolism. Fourth, eat the frog by tackling your most challenging task first. It's a surefire way to boost accomplishment. And finally, take a moment for gratitude. Reflecting on the positives sets a tone of optimism for your day. So, which habit will you start tomorrow? This is extremely impressive. Invideo AI has created a very high quality video that can be published on Shorts as is without any edits. It has turned our inputs into an engaging and super relevant script with a human sounding voiceover. It has matched every line of text with hyper relevant stock footage from premium sources like Shutterstock and iStock that come free with Invideo AI. It has added important text and subtitles on the screen. And it has cut and edited all of this in sync with the voiceover to give us a ready to publish video. However, I do want to make a few changes. So let's see how we can do that. Now there are 3 ways that you can make changes to this video. If you don't like the overall feel and structure of the video, you can use this plus icon right above the canvas area and change the audience type and the look and feel for your video. But doing this will prompt the AI to create a completely new draft of the video. Now we don't want to do that because I'm quite pleased with the results of the video and I only want to make a few minor adjustments. So I'm going to go with the edit option right below the canvas, and this gives me the option to either edit the script or the media. Now when you click on the edit script option, it opens up your entire script, and here you can simply make changes to the text however you want. This will change your voiceover, and in cases of major changes, the B-roll accordingly. Alternatively, if you want to just change a couple of clips here and there, you can use the edit media option. And this opens up the media timeline where you can see all of the clips that have been used. You can then select the clip you want to replace and then either upload your own clip or search for a separate one in the stock library. For instance, I don't like this last one, so I want to change it, and I am going to search the stock library for the same. Now, once I find a clip I like this one, I'll just click on it and you can see that it gets placed on top of the original clip, meaning it has been replaced. Then I'll click on apply and the new clip will replace the default one. You can do this for as many clips as you like and have minute control over the exact clips or footage you want in your videos. Now we come to the best and the easiest way to make changes to your video, and that is by directly instructing the AI to do something. Now this is something that you will not have seen in any other tool. You can ask the AI to add or delete scenes, rewrite certain parts of the script, change the music, increase or decrease the volume, or for instance, change the media in the first scene to be more zen and cinematic. Let's take a look. Transform your day before it even begins with these 5 life-changing morning habits. First, rise with the sun. These new clips look so much better. And just in case you don't like the results, you can always press this undo arrow and go back to the previous version and try again. Let's try something else. I want to try changing the music. We want something that is more inspiring. And with that, let's check out our final version. Transform your day before it even begins with these 5 life-changing morning habits. First, rise with the sun. Waking up an hour earlier can reduce depression by 23%. Second, move your body. A quick jog or yoga stretch can kickstart your energy. Third, hydrate. A glass of water first thing revs up your metabolism. Fourth, eat the frog by tackling your most challenging task first. It's a surefire way to boost accomplishment. And finally, take a moment for gratitude. Reflecting on the positive sets a tone of optimism for your day. So, which habit will you start tomorrow? You can clearly hear that the music track has changed, and that sounds so much better. And the clips look absolutely beautiful. I can now simply download the video and publish it wherever I want. You will of course need to upgrade to a paid plan to get rid of the watermarks, but if you are just getting started and can make do with them, you can create and download up to 4 videos a week for free. And if you face any issues or have any questions, you can use this chat icon to speak to our 24/7 support team. The response time is less than 30 seconds. And as you can see, turning your ideas into publish-ready videos has never been easier. And if you haven't tried out Invideo AI yet, you should definitely take it out for a spin with the link in the description. And if you want to learn more about how you can create an entire YouTube channel just using AI, check out this video next.